Easy tricks to improve the water pressure of your shower head. Few things are more relaxing than a good shower with adequate water pressure. It helps us relax and gives us a wonderful feeling of calm and well-being. However, there is something that, without a doubt, we all will have experienced: getting under the head of the shower and noticing that there is hardly any pressure, or that the water sprays irregularly and intermittently, and or worse, to see that the water just drips. If we also have the bad luck that our water has a lot of calcium, we will be forced to have to clean the pipes and shower head every so often to prevent the constant obstruction caused by all those mineral deposits. Something like this is not only expensive, above all, it's annoying. After all, it prevents us from enjoying those needed moments of peace under a good flow of water. What can we do? Before calling the technician, it never hurts to try these simple tricks that can save us a lot of money in plumbing and improve the water pressure. Easy and cost-saving trick for fixed shower heads. Our showers can have heads that are either fixed or removable. If we cannot remove the head, the cleaning will be much more complex, but not impossible. In this case, the best solution to avoid obstructing the holes is to carry out good maintenance and prevent the progressive accumulation of lime in this area of our shower every day. How can we do it? Well, explain it to you below. Fixed heads, equally simple solutions. What do I need? A plastic bag without any holes, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters. How do I do it? You will have it ready in less than 2 minutes. You just have to heat up 1/2 cup of white vinegar in the microwave a bit. Then, pour the vinegar into the plastic bag. Next, with great care, tie that bag around the shower head. Ensure that it's covered by the white vinegar. We will do it before going to bed, so that the next morning we will only have to remove the bag from shower normally. It is ideal if you do this trick once a week. It's a simple way to prevent and treat obstructions in your shower head. Tricks for removable shower heads. When your shower head is removable, it's even easier. Suggest you follow some of these tips. Quick strategy for your cleaning your shower head. What do I need? One needle, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters. How do I do it? the first thing to do is remove the shower head. Give it a few taps so that the layer of sediment or calcium oxide comes off. Next, open the tap of your kitchen or bathtub and place the inside of the diffuser under water, so that a little more of the calcium is removed or softened. Now, heat the white vinegar. Meanwhile, with the help of a needle, you can clean and empty each hole in the diffuser of the shower. Finally, soak the head in the cup of vinegar. Leave it for a couple of hours, rinse and replace. It's very easy. Another strategy for the most rebellious slime in your shower head. Occasionally, sometimes due to forgetfulness, we let more and more waste accumulate every day in our shower head. In these cases, we can use a specific product to unclog the holes in the shower, or simply use what we all have at home: water, vinegar and lemon. What do I need? One cup of hot water, 250 milliliters, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 toothbrush. How do I do it? First, shake the head and rinse it with water. Afterwards, heat the water and add the white vinegar and the lemon juice. Submerge the head in this mixture and let it soak for 1 hour. Then, with the help of the toothbrush, scrub vigorously to remove any remaining lime in the shower head. However, to make sure that each hole is open and free of lime scale, it never hurts to put a needle in each of them to make sure. In addition, if your water often has extra lime and other minerals, it's very useful to tie a bag with vinegar over the head at night. Good maintenance is always the key.